Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You select a filter, the loading animation spins, and then nothing happens. Your photo stays exactly the same, the filter just won't apply. So filters not applying can be caused by several issues: the app failing to detect a face in your photo, a poor internet connection, a corrupted app data because FaceApp processes filters on its servers rather than on your device. So any interruption in the connection can cause the filter to fail. Sometimes it's simply that the photo quality isn't high enough for the AI to work with. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix filter not applying in FaceApp, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, you should go and check for the face detection issue. FaceApp needs to clearly see a face to apply filters. If the app can detect facial features, the filter won't apply. So you should go and try a different photo, preferably a clear, well-lit front-facing selfie where your face isn't obscured by hair, sunglasses, or even more things. I will show you how. So for example, we have these pictures. Your picture must be just like one of those actually. Then also make sure to check your internet connection because processing happens in the cloud. A stable internet connection is essential. Toggle airplane mode on and off or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then run a speed test to ensure you have a decent upload speed. It's time now to clear the cache and data if it's needed. Should go long press the app here as you see. Tap on info, then go all the way down, storage, clear the cache and data from here if you want to. That's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.